Hello guys, hello my dear friends, welcome back to a new video. Today I will show you how I use my Aviator Predictor app or Stake Aviator and win money using my Predictor app guys. This is my official Telegram channel, links BYTRON and BYTRON channel. My official Telegram channel, as you can see, this is my current subscribers. And this is no official channel link. Make sure to check these subscribers and my official channel link before messaging me, as scammers are always copying my videos and trying to scam people. So for your own safety, make sure to check my subscribers and links before making any transaction guys. Also, this is my personal account. If you want to buy any hack, make sure to write me in my official personal account. Today's date and time, April 1, 2026. Let's go to official Stake website. Official Stake website, stake.com. Our starting balance $156. Open Aviator gain. Open BYTRON Predictor app. As you can see, my country has been already automatically selected, but you can also click here and select your country. Let's connect to the servers. And the app is connected to the server successfully. Let's select Stake, select Aviator. 6.51. Right now, as you can see how this works, quick. Stake official Aviator 6.51 in my Predictor app, and it will match with the Aviator gain in stake.com guys. Let's prepare our bid for the next gain. See guys, this is absolutely amazing. Next coefficient 1.02 is a very low coefficient, so we are going to skip this bet. 2.88, a decent coefficient guys, so let's place bet. See guys, this is absolutely amazing and working perfect. Let's increase our bet to $200. As always, this is just working perfect guys. 2.10 next coefficient, place 2 bets. See guys, this is absolutely amazing and working perfect. Our total winnings today $1,025. If you also want to buy this hack, make sure to write me in official Telegram to avoid scammers and buy from the real developer. Bye bye, see you guys later.